Assalamualaikum, dear students. Today we are going to solve the remaining exercise of the lesson Parts of Speech. The exercise is state the function of each word in each of the sentence. Can you give me some ideas? Can, helping verb, you, personal pronoun, give, main verb, me, personal pronoun, some, adjective of quantity, ideas, abstract noun. I have planned many such events. I, personal pronoun, have, helping verb, planned, main verb, many, adjective of quantity, such, adjective, events, noun or object. She looked at the frightened boy. She, personal pronoun, looked, main verb, at, preposition, the, article, frightened, adjective, boy, noun, boy, noun. Those were amazing pictures indeed. Those, demonstrative pronoun, were, main verb, amazing, adjective, pictures, noun, indeed, adverb. You just made it. Interjection. You, personal pronoun, just, adverb of time, made, main verb, it, personal pronoun. Give me the purple paint. Give, main verb, me, personal pronoun, the, article, purple, adjective, paint, noun. Now we will move to the next exercise of the lesson. As you read the paragraph, fill in the blanks with words that belong to the speech parts printed below each line. Read again after you finish. First of all, listen carefully. Blank was a 7-year-old blank. Blank had a habit of blank every stone that came in blank way. One day, blank the blank blank kicked a stone. Unfortunately, blank flew straight into blank. Blank parked blank. The stone blank the dash of the blank. Blank. All the blank looked blank. As the blank of blank fell all around. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Blank realized how irresponsible blank had been. Blank promised never blank to blank stones. Now we will try to solve it. Blank, proper noun, person. Ahmad was a 7-year-old Common noun boy. Pronoun he. Had a habit of blank present participle kicking every stone that came in possessive adjective his way. One day preposition on the common noun place road. Pronoun he kicked a stone unfortunately. Pronoun it flew straight into article a common noun thing car parked adverb of place there. The stone past tense verb hit the common noun thing glass of the common noun thing car. Interjection oops. All the common noun people looked adverb angrily as the present participle breaking pieces common noun of common noun glass fell all around. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Proper noun Ahmad realized how irresponsible pronoun he had been. Conjunction and promised never adverb forcibly to action word kick stones. Now listen once again. Ahmad was a 7-year-old boy. He had a habit of kicking every stone that came in his way. One day on the road, he kicked a stone. Unfortunately, it flew straight into a car parked there. The stone hit the glass of the car. Oops! All the people looked angrily as the breaking pieces of glass fell all around. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Ahmad realized how irresponsible he had been and promised never forcibly to kick stones. Now we have completed our first lesson, parts of speech here. Learn and write all exercise in your notebook. Allah Hafiz.